Hello and congratulations. You've entered your Twilio SID and token, and potentially your campaign ID for your linked messaging service. That means that your dashboard has now been unlocked. If you're still waiting on campaign approval, don't worry. We'll walk through what happens next and how to finalize setup once that approval is confirmed. Once you log into your dashboard for the first time, you'll see a demo location already provided. This demo account is provided free of charge. It doesn't account against your license seat limit and perfect for showcasing functionality to prospects without using a live client setup. On this dashboard, you have multiple options and icons to use for your use. Right now, your dashboard is default to the Locations tab. On this tab, you have multiple tools at your disposal to help manage your locations effectively. The first tool available to you is to impersonate your location. This can be done by one of two ways. One, you can highlight over the hyperlink of your location and click on it. Once you click on it, it will now take you to that location's site and see what they see. You are now impersonating that location. If you want to go back, you just need to click on the name on the top right corner and click Login as Account Admin to go back to your account. You'll see that it says you're logged in successfully, and now you're back to your agency account. The other option is you can click on the blue icon underneath the action column to log in as that location. Click on it, and as you can see, it takes you to the same location. Again, to go back, click on the drop-down menu, and then click on Log in as Account Admin to go back to your agency page. The next tool available to you is if you want to activate or deactivate that location. This can be done by hovering your mouse over the toggle icon and clicking it to disable that location. You'll be provided with a prompt asking if you're sure. If you are, click Yes to proceed. You'll now see that you can no longer impersonate that location because it is disabled. If you wish to re-enable it, click on that icon, confirm, and now your location is back up and running. The next option is an icon for a trash can. Click on that to delete this account. It will give you a prompt to make sure this is the action that you would like to do next. Please note that this action cannot be undone. So for now, we'll click Cancel. The next icon to the right is good in case your location has forgotten their password and you need to reset their information. Clicking on this icon, you'll be allowed to enter the new password, confirm the password, and then you can click Update. And on the very far right, you'll see a gear icon. This is to enable integrations. It will give you confirmation, and click Yes to proceed. You'll now see that the gear icon is now highlighted green and it is now enabled for integrations. If you want to turn this off, click on it again, confirm, and now you have disabled integrations for this location. And lastly, if you'd like to create a location, you can hover over the Create Location icon and click that. This is where you can enter the name, the email address, the phone number, password, and confirm the password. Please note the password must contain at least 8 characters with uppercase, lowercase, and numbers. Then lastly, select a subscription plan. As you'll see, you have a demo subscription plan by default. It allows up to 20 text messages per month, specifically designed for sales demos. Once you have all the information entered in for your location, click the Create button. As an added benefit for using a white label dashboard, you have another tool at your disposal. On the bottom right corner, you'll see a button that says Help. Clicking on this button will open a pop-up that says Welcome to Support. You can type in any questions you might have or suggested articles that might help you along the way. Clients under your account will not see this Help button. We act as your Tier 2 tech support. Our team supports you, but not your clients directly. Your demo name is located on the top right corner next to the icon, as well as in the bottom left corner next to the All Rights Reserved. To customize your name, click on the drop-down menu next to your name and click on White Label. Here's where you can manage your white label settings. You can adjust your business name, your support email address, You can set up your subdomain, and you can choose your top-level domain. Your options for the top-level domain can be Reviewly.ai or getnewfeedback.com. Note that if you do change it to getnewfeedback.com, you will have to re-log in under the new top-level domain at getnewfeedback.com. You also have the option to upload a logo for your agency. Just click on the button and choose a new logo as you see fit. Next, you can upload a new favicon. This is the icon that shows up next to your name on the tabs in your browser. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, click the Update button to update the site. The site has now been updated and you are good to go. Additionally, you can customize the way your interface looks by clicking on the Customization tab. Here is where you can change the colors or images of the header. You can choose between a header style for image, solid color, or gradient. If you choose gradient, you can choose which colors you would like. If you want a solid color, you can pick it here, or you can select an image by clicking on here to upload the image and clicking the image you would like. If you'd like to customize your subheader, here's where you can change the colors for that. We have solid color or gradient. And here you can choose the colors that you need to match your brand's colors. You can also change the gradient directions from left to right to left, etc. And lastly, you can customize your login page for different colors and how you see fit. This feature has been added so you can make this match your brand. Once these settings have been changed as you see fit, you can then click Update. If you do not like the changes or you just want to start from scratch, click on Reset to Default, and you can change the login, subheader, or header, and click Reset. It will then take you back to what you had before. Next, if you'd like to access support or training resources next to your agency name, click on the drop-down menu, and you'll see that you have an option for training, which is access to videos such as this one you're watching, and also ways to contact support and submit a ticket. Clicking on the training icon will take you to this page, the Agency Welcome, where you can select all the different videos, and then click on Agency Training to watch different videos as you see fit. Clicking on Contact Support will take you to a knowledge base to get you the help you need. If you can't find the information you're looking for in the knowledge base, you also can submit a ticket by clicking the Submit a Ticket icon. Here, this is where you'll put your information and the subject and your description of your issue, and support will get back to you as soon as possible. Next up, we need to know how to update your agency information. Clicking on the drop-down menu, you will click on Your Information. On this page, you can see your total active locations and your total locations available. It will also show if they're Google connected. You can then put in your business name, your business contact name, your business category, such as marketing agency or digital agency, the primary language for your business. Note, AI generates its review responses based off this language. This is also the default language for customer review drafts. Feedback settings must be manually configured per location. Changing the language here only updates the starting point. You'll also need to enter your phone number, your email address. If you need to update your password, you can do that with these two boxes here. Here is the location for your API key. This agency-level API key is available for your advanced functionality integrating with other applications. And as you've done previously, this is where you can put your Twilio SID and Twilio token. All right, now as we mentioned before, if your Twilio campaign hasn't been approved yet, approval usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once approved, you can go back to this page to set that up. In order to set that up, you need to go to the bottom of your agency information page, and then you can input this information. Here you will see that United States is listed as the default country. If this needs to change, click on the Add Country button to add a different country. Next, you'll need to enter the associated address. Make sure it's correct to the campaign you intended. Then, if you've created multiple campaigns, double-check the link accuracy. Once your campaign is approved, you can then enter your key under Linked Messaging Services. Once that's installed, click Update to add that campaign. If you want to expand your messaging to additional regions, click Add Country. We support countries such as Australia, Canada, Hungary, the Netherlands, and much more. This is where you can select a country that best suits your needs. If you need help with international Twilio setup, don't hesitate to contact our team. We'll walk you through specific requirements. Now let's head back to the Locations tab. You will manage all your client locations from this tab. Each one includes clear details and quick access tools. Most actions take only 1 or 2 clicks. No digging, no complexity. All of the information you need at your fingertips. And that completes your white label setup. Your agency dashboard is now customized, secure, ready to showcase your brand, and configured with your Twilio credentials. Thank you for watching, and if you need further assistance, have questions, or want to explore advanced strategies, our team is here for you. You can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.